Thank you, Sue.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Tito.
Rose.
Thank you, Tita. And Kate is the paper wrapper eater.
Dude, he said train.
Whoa! 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 Wow, train. Say thank you. Thank you, Tita. Yeah. Thank you, Tita. Can you say thank you, Tita? John, say thank you, Tita.
Thank you.
Open? You want to open?